Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all doing well. I'm here today just to do a small bit on your busy at maths and on money. Firstly, there's lots of different strategies you can use with money if you're familiar with it. I'm going to show you a few on the board, and hopefully that would help you for the rest of the week with the maths. A lot of people had a bit of trouble with exercise 3 yesterday, so let's have a look at that. So the whole idea was you got €5. I hope you can see the red marker, €5, and you spent a certain amount of money. In number one, you spent €2.76. So you spent €2.76. Now, if you have a rough work template, which I would recommend, or a piece of paper, you can do this as a subtraction sum. Now remember, working through this, if there's more on the floor, you go next door. So 0 take away 6, you cannot do. If you have 0 or nothing, you must go borrow from your neighbour. You go next door, you still have 0. Now you'll see the decimal point is very important. You go over to your €5. Now we can cross out the 5, make it a 4, €4, and this 0 becomes 10. Now 0 take away 6 we still can't do, but we can borrow from your neighbour. So 10, reduce it down to 9 and bring over 1 to make it 10. Now 10 take away 6, we can do that. A lot of people will know that straight away. 10 take away 6 is 4. 9 take away 7, we've got more on the top so we can take it away. 9 minus 7 is 2. And then 4 take away 2 is simply €2.24. So that's for 3 part A, or 3-1. Now in your book, it gives you the strategy of €2.76. Now, it tells you to draw, using cents go to the nearest euro, or nearest 10. So we know that 6 plus something equals 10. So 6 plus 4 cents, or 2 2-cent coins, because we don't have a 4-cent coin. And that brings you to 280. The next step is asking you to get to the nearest euro. So we all know that there's 100 cents in a euros. So 80 plus 20, because there's a 20-cent coin. That brings you to €3. Now, how do we get from €3 to €5? You add €2. And then we get to €5. So altogether, the change you get is €2 and 24 cents, which is the same as the answer we have up here. Now I'm just going to rub out a couple of stuff off the board because it might be a bit confusing. So as you can see, there's 2 different strategies. One is to subtract as per normal, and the second is to add up and round up to get to the cents, get to the euros, and get to the total amount. Now another thing we're going to look at the moment, I just checked in your books, is adding money. Okay, so your work today on page 75 is adding euros. So you're going to add money. So this is the work I'll be posting at 11 o'clock. Okay, now, so as you can see, you might have €1, 10 cents. Now, that's a mistake for Mr. Amara because 10 cents isn't as big as a €1 coin. 10 cents, 20 cents is bigger, 50 cents, 2 cents, and 1 cent. Now to add them up, usually start with the cents. 1 and 2 is 3, plus 10 is 13, plus 20 is 33, plus €1. So that's €1 and 33 cents. You write that down in euros, it's 1.33, or if you write that down in cent, it's 133 cents, because €1 is equal to 100 cents. Now that's for the next page, adding the money together. I'm not going to make this video much longer because it does take time. It does take time to upload these. The last thing I'm going to say is, okay, someday you'll get a question like, how many coins in €1.64? Now, so what's the smallest amount of coins you can use to make €1.64? Now, when we look at the 4 cents, can we get a 4 cent coin? No, we can't. We need 2 cents and 2 cents. There's your 4. To get 60, can we get a 60 cent coin? No, we can't. But we can get 50 cents. Now, what's 60 take away 50? Yes, it's 10. Can we get a 10 cent coin? Yes, we can. So 50 and 60, that's that done. And finally, can we get a euro coin? Yes, we can. So how many coins, what's the smallest amount of coins we can use to make €1.64? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just a reminder, do not make up your own coins. Get examples of money at home if you have it. See what coins you can make, just do that exercise. I hope you find this helpful and it will help you with the work that you're going to be doing for the next couple of days.